Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to hold your gun in the hand this way. It's pretty cool, you know, and yeah, very simple. First, you need a dog. Yeah, any dog. Coca-Cola dog or a Labrador dog, whatever. Take your gun out and don't press that OK button. Okay, okay, now you have to press the, pet the dog. You can press the OK button now. It's okay. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, comment, or give me a 5-star. Hey, where's the dog? Where's the dog? Dog! Doggy!